Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to calculate hours worked in Excel. We will start by opening the Excel file. Here you can see the start and end time to use. After this, in any desired cell, you have used the yes function. This must contain the data of the start time, the end time, and apply the 24-hour format as you see it on the screen. Now, when I press the Enter key, you will be able to see the number of hours worked. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.